How to replace a Human Touch PC-600, PC-610, or PC Pro footrest actuator. You will need an 8mm Allen wrench, a 17mm socket wrench with extender, a wire cutter, and zip ties. Save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, unplug the chair. Now, tip the chair gently onto its left-hand side. Next, open the canvas cover to expose the footrest actuator front mounting point. The cover is secured using hook and loop fasteners. Once open, slide the cover toward the footrest until the cover and zip tie clear the mounting point. Cut the zip ties that secure the actuator cable to the two cable guides on the bottom of the seat. Also cut the zip tie that secures the footrest actuator cable to the backrest actuator cable. Now, remove the cable clamp that secures the actuator cable to the main control module, then disconnect the footrest actuator cable, which is labeled with a white circle. Feed the actuator cable through the two cable guides on the bottom of the seat to free the cable from the chair. Next, while holding the rear actuator bolt in place with an 8mm Allen wrench, use a 17mm socket wrench with extender to remove the nut. Push the bolt downward to remove it. Repeat this process to remove the front actuator bolt and nut, however, an extender is not necessary in this case. You can now remove the actuator from the chair. To install the new actuator, place it into position with the motor facing upward, aligning the mounting points. Then, replace the front and rear bolts and nuts to secure it. Feed the actuator cable down through the two cable guides on the bottom of the seat. Then, plug the cable into the corresponding control module socket, with the cable facing away from the seat. When plugging in a connector, rotate it gently until you can feel the connector pins align with the socket holes, then push the connector firmly into the socket to secure it. Next, position all three cables inside the cable clamp area, then replace the cable clamp to secure them. Secure the actuator cables to each of the two cable guides using new zip ties. Secure the footrest actuator cable to the backrest actuator cable using a new zip tie. Cut the excess zip ties. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Plug in the chair, and you're done.